How to make a booking. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple process of booking an item on our platform. Let's get started. There are two convenient ways to begin your booking journey. First, you can click on the Booking tab located at the top of the page. Alternatively, you can simply click on the prominent booking box situated in the middle of the page. In this section, you'll find a comprehensive list of all the equipment currently available for booking. To streamline your search, you can utilize the Filters drop-down menu, which categorizes items for easy navigation. Additionally, you have the option to use the search box for quick access to specific items. Once you've found the item you wish to book, click on Check Availability. Navigate the calendar by using the arrow buttons to switch between weeks. Unavailable slots are indicated by grayed out boxes. You can make bookings up to 3 weeks in advance. Please note that there's a break time between 1:30 and 2 o'clock, but if you've scheduled your booking earlier, you can still utilize it. Set your desired start time by clicking on the appropriate time slot and then select the end time. Once your selection turns blue, click Next. In the third step, you'll find suggested add-ons that may match your booking slot. Review these options and make any selections that are of your interest. Add-ons will be automatically added to your booking slot. After reviewing your booking details, click Confirm and Book. Great! Your items have been successfully booked. To review your booking and access all relevant information, click on View My Booking. Your booking status should read as confirmed. If you ever need to cancel your booking, you can do so by clicking the Cancel button. We hope this video has made the process clear and straightforward. Should you have any further questions or require assistance, don't hesitate to contact our support team.